Lacho elokwicho mbukeli ngokusikena kwi-yure yesibini yenkqubo kwelokuba ke sithe kutyholwa ngelithi umkhosi weli wokhuselo uneqela loncikivanga ngabaphathi kubo. Sisanalo ke nodliwano-ndlebe malunga nombo apho umphathiso wezothutho usidisiwe Chikungethe kukho ke imfuneko engxamisekileyo yokulungisa umthetho oyilwayo olawula ukusebenza kwe-Road Accident Fund. Ukuva banzi ke ngamanye amanqaku uhlala nathi apha ku-SABC Haye na ku SABC Plus ndimlo ukholosa kalubisi umadlongothi umazipho umamshukuma umazondwa ngezinto zakhe.
Mbukeli Sasha saliphuphuthi ihora lokuqala uLwesihlanu ke lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Ihe yabona nje njengoba ku December nje abanye beholile. Khona ke oke wakhala wathi hayi ngathi semaningi manje ama friend request emaningi kangaka. Umuntu yogcine se accepta namasalamusi imali vele inyamalale. Igama lami nguNoxolo Mamtshalo kwaMwalihle bangana limhlophe qwa angingandi ngomlomo naze ihamba phambili leli hora lethu lesibili.
Inhloko yejaji Raymond Zondo uthi ijaji zaseMzantsi Afrika azinankululeko epheleleyo yeziko kwaye oku kwenza kube nzima ukuba benze umsebenzi wabo ngokufanelekileyo.
Hey, singambiza no chup. You know what it is, ngubixhosa lona hlala ubukele ekhaya Jikelele from Monday to Friday sikuphathele zemidlalo, entertainment and current affairs. Ungaphoswa.
Ijaji zaseMzantsi Afrika azinankululeko epheleleyo yeziko kwaye oku kwenza ukuba nzima ukuba bezomthetho benze umsebenzi wabo ngokufanelekileyo. Oku kuthethwa inhloko yejaji Raymond Zondo kunye nabanye omongameli bejaji abathe bavakalisa ukuphoxeka kwejaji kwinkomfa yejaji bibanjelwe eSun City eRustenburg eMntla-Ntshona. Le nkomfa yentsuku ezintathu bibanjwe phantsi komxholo othi towards a single effective and fully independent judiciary.
Inkantolo yemanje yaseBilabila eLimpopo namuhla kulindeleke ukuthi ikhiphe isinqumo mayelana nesicelo sebhayili salowo osolwa njengongqondongqondo ekugqekezweni kweplaza likaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala. U-Emmanuela David naboshwe nababili izelamani uFlorina noNdilinasho Joseph babhekene namacala obugebengu kanye nokweba imali engaphezulu ka$580,000 yamadola asemelika eplazini likamongameli uRamaphosa ngoNhlolanja wonyaka u2020. uDavid ubhekene namanye amacala okushushumbisa imali.
Obesakubala iqala le-ANC uMavuso Msimang uthi ukunyamezela urhwaphilizo nokukhuselwa kwabantu abangawaziyo umsebenzi wabo kwenze lafiphala iphupha likamongameli uCyril Ramaphosa lokuhlaziya umbutho. Ebethetha kudliwano-ndlebe olukhethekileyo neziko le-SABC kulandela ukuphelisa ubulungu bakhe kwi-ANC. uMsimang ulahle kweli qela elityhola ngorhwaphilizo lurhwaphilizo ongabonakali imigudu ikhawulezileyo ukuliphelisa.
Evala isahluko emva kweminyaka engaphaya kwama-60 njengesicaka sombutho igala le-ANC uGqirha Mavuso Msimang uthi kufike ixesha lokuba anikezele exhalekile emphefumlweni uthi ANC ayisafani iyoyisakala kuzibhenca izigutyule urhwaphilizo.
It's been a bit difficult. It's not an easy decision at all.
Kudliwano-ndlebe olukhethekileyo ne-SABC lenkonde iminyaka engama-82 ibalule ulawulo phantsi kwayisakuba ngumongameli uJacob Zuma njengolwaba ngumbhodama ongenambaliso kwimbali yeqela. Kodwa isikhokhelo sikaRamaphosa siphazame ngokuqalisa ukunyamezela urhwaphilizo utshilo.
I think the reliance on people of shady characters, the keeping company with those people is what has cost the president the reputation that he had.
Ngethuba uZuma wayesaxhuzula imikhala njengomongameli, uGqirha Msimang wayethe gqolo ukukhalimela indlela yokuziphatha kwenkokheli. Unanamhla oku usenesikhalo ngenkokheli ze-ANC ezikulawulo.
We are very comfortable living with people who are corrupt, who don't have integrity.
Kusenjalo umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uphefumule ngokulahla kaMsimang uthi izindaba ezimbi noko ezi kwaye basamhlonipha njengegala lombutho.
We do regret the decision that he has taken, and I'm rather pleased that he says he will want to continue being involved in one shape, form or other in the matters that have to do with our country.
Ogxaba ke kwiphiko lamagala ombutho ANC bathi nabeni bothuswe kukulahla kwakhe baseza kuqhubekeka belukhalimela rhwaphilizo babuyise isidima se-ANC.
Kusenjalo umhleli wezindaba zezombusazwe SABC uMzondile Mbeje uphawulile malungana nokushiya kukaMavuso Msimang eqenjini i-ANC. uMbeje uthi lokhu kukhomba uqhayeko olukhona eqenjini i-ANC.
Le enziwe ubaba Msimang ngoba phela umuntu okuyi-ANC isikhathi eside usebe kuyi-ANC iminyaka engaphezulu ka-60. Umuntu ke onjalo uma ngabe nje ezovele ehambe akulula kakhulu. Yebo mhlambe abanye bazothi akanalo ifuthe elifana nabantu abanjengomongameli, kodwa ngenxa yolwazi analo nangenxa yemisebenzi anayo kwi-ANC lokhu kusho ukukhulu. Enye ke mhlambe into engicabanga ukuthi iyinkinga ngempela indaba yokuthi behluleke ukuthi bevuselelane futhi bengabe lokhu bexabana njalo yiyo edala into enjengalezi ngoba phela kudala sibona ukuthi izinkinga zikhona bayazama ukuyilungisa kodwa engathi ayilungiseki. Yingakho ke lengozi mayiqhubeka nokungelashwa izogcina ibalimaza.
Urhulumente uqhuba inkqubo yokulandela ubunjubaqo benziwe ngabalawuli abangama-35 nabachaphazeleke ekubanjweni kombuso ngobhongwana. Umphathiswa wezamashishini karhulumente uPravin Gordhan uthi amashishini karhulumente i-SOEs zithabatha amanyathelo ngezindululo zekomishoni kaZondo. Ebethetha phambi kwekomiti ekhethekileyo yepalamente ejongene namashishini karhulumente nonxibelelwano.
Zinkampani eziquka u-Eskom, uTransnet, u-SAA kunye noDenel neziyinxalenye zenkampani ezaba nelahleko ebalelwa kwiibhiliyoni zeerandi kulwamvila lokubanjwa kombuso ngobhongwana. Isebe lezamashishini karhulumente lithi liza kuthatha amanyathelo okuvula amatyala ngakwabo babandakanyekayo. Kodwa nangona kunjalo, umphathiswa uthi akonelisekanga sisantya sofudo ezihamba ngayo iiarhente zengalo yomthetho.
At the moment, our law enforcement entities are not making, in my view, the kind of impact and progress that they need to be making.
Abanye babo babandakanyekayo kule nyewe bathunyelwe kwimibutho ebalawulayo ukuba ibatyatyushe. Kwaye kusenjalo, isebe likwamemelela ukuba abanye bafakwe kwiincwadi ezimnyama bangaze baphinde baqeshwe ndawo. Ukongeza koko, zibhangisiwe zonke iibhodi ebezijongene nokunikwa kwethenda ngokukhusela esayizolo.
We cannot continue to make the mistake of appointing people to boards merely because they have a particular profile publicly or they are somebody's friend.
Le komiti ikwamkele ke ukufunyanwa kubuyiselwe imali ezathi zahliswa ngomlenze ngelixa kubanjwe urhulumente ngobhongwana. uGordhan uqwele ngelithi isebe lakhe libeke phantsi kweliso lokhozi inkqubela phambili yezicwangciso zokulungisa amashishini karhulumente.
Izakhamuzi ezithukuthele ezihlala ngaphansi kamasipala eMachabeng zithi uhulumeni angagcini nje ngokwenza izethembiso ngeimbizo azibizayo. Lezi zakhamuzi zikhala ngokungahlinzekwa ngezidingo nqangi, ukungahlinzekwa ngamanzi kanye nokungathuthwa kwendle eVelkom eFree State. Nakuba ke uhulumeni ememezele izinhlelo ezahlukene zokungenelela kepha kumphakathi uthi usukhathele ukulinda.
Re tlo tswella pele with the presidential employment stimulus e tla etsang gore le EPWP itswelle pele, and we are going to make sure gore we expand the EPWP gore bao ba sena mesebetsi ba kgona ho krea mesebetsi. Re tlo tswella pele gape le ka di grant tsele tse rileng ra di simolla ka nako ya COVID go thusa bao ba sa sebetseng. Re utlwile gotwe la ele nyane tšhelete ena ya 350 e tlo tswella pele ka ba ne thusa batho. Go na le bao ba reng ya re thusa re a kgona go e sebedisa tšhelete eo go etsa di-business go fepa bana ko gae.
Iqumrhu lokhuselo leli licele umngeni nakubani na onobungqina ngeqela loncikivio kulo mkhosi ukuba aze nobungqina. Oku emva kombutho i-Open Secrets uvakalise izityholo zokuba iqela loncikivio ngaphakathi kwe-SANDF liyabandakanyeka kulwaphulo-mthetho luquka uncikivio, uxhwilo nokubulawa. Ingxelo zokubandakanya eli qela loncikivio kubulawo lomphandi we-Hawks uFrance Matipa nokubiwa kwezixhobo ezingundoqo zomkhosi kanyaka ka-2019.
Inhloko yeSanta Furutsani Maphwanya unikeze ingxelo kumajelo endaba ePitoli ukanti uzikhabile izityholo zeqela loncikivio ngakumkhosi.
I had never been appointed to lead the killer squad or murder squad or abduction teams.
I-Open Secrets ityhola iiyunithi ezine eziyingxenye yemisebenzi yobuqhophololo ngaphakathi komkhosi. Iqela loncikivio lityholwa ngokoyama nokuduka komxhasi wezezimali we-ISIS uAbdela Abadika nonogada wakhe, ukubulawa komphathi we-Hawks uColonel France Matipa nezixhobo zomkhosi ezabiwa ngo-2019.
There has never been any attempt to disregard any critical information that may tarnish the image of the SANDF.
Lo gama iSANDF igxininisile ukuba eminye yemiba iphambi kwenkundla yaye ibhodi yophando isemaxhapheshu nophando neengxelo zayo. I-AfriForum ifuna ezingxelo zithetyethelwe ingqalelo yaye zibekwe elubala eluntwini.
This matter is not going to disappear. We have stated in our letter that we will consider legal action to compel the chief of the SANDF to perform his duties and react upon this report if he doesn't do so in due course.
Ngokweengxelo zamajelo endaba kulapha eTabatswane military base apho wayesaya kuba ngumququzeleli kwezobuntlola uPulenkomo atyhola ukuba wabanjwa wancikivwa ngo-2019. Uvakalise izityholo zokuba abo bamncikivayo babephuma kwiSANDF yaye babefuna ulwazi ngezixhobo ezazibiwe ngo-2019. iSANDF ithi lo mba umele ukuphathwa ngesidima.
Iningi ley'nxanxathela zey'tolo eThekwini seliqinise zokuphepha njengoba sesifikile isikhathi samaholide asehlobo. Lokuza njengenyanga edlule kuphangwe iy'nxanxathela zey'tolo ezimbili kwabulawa elinye lonogada.
Kweli xesha lonyaka kuba sisiphithiphithi kwiindawo ezinodederhu lwevenkile njengoko inyambalala yabathengi thontelana ukuyokuthenga izipho nokunye okuninzi. Imigila mkhuba iye ifumane ikroba kuphango lwakutshanje kwindawo enodederhu lwevenkile iPavilion. Oonqevu bebexhobile baphange iivenkile ezimbini zobucwebe babulala ipolisa. Kwenye indawo enodederhu lwevenkile iGateway kwenziwe luqilima ukhuseleko.
I mean, over the festive season we have a massive influx of both tourists and local shoppers coming through to the mall, so security is obviously our highest priority.
Abathengi bathi bahlala beqaphele kweli xesha lonyaka.
From that experience, I'm very scared going to the malls, the casinos. I'm very vigilant.
Kunjalo banye bafumana ithuba lokucela bakunqwenelayo.
And I really want a furry notebook with a lock and a pencil case. Dog toys for my puppy.
Indawo zentengiso zikwabongoze abathengi ukuba bahlale belumke ngalo lonke ixesha.
Ewe kaloku mbukeli sisondela kuyo impelaveki. Umbuzo ngokuba iphimbizo ingathi ziyaqhuma pha emmangalisweni. Masirhabule sifince uqikelelo lwemozulu.
Stand ashes to ashes othulini but amagugu elilizwe ayosale mathuneni ngiyabuza kuwena mdali wakhala nyoni indozi lamela the color of your eyes, were they similar to mine? I wish I knew the brightness of your smile in the dead of night. Oh, I wish I knew the color of your eyes, were they similar to mine? I wish I knew the brightness of your smile in the dead of night.
Sibambe ngazibini mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele ngokuba usahleli nathi. Kanti ke sihlabela mgama novimba wethu. Pens down yindibano eququzelwa ngabafundi ubhiyozela ukuphela kwemviwo zokuphela konyaka. Nangona kunjalo ke abazali norhulumente baxhalabile ngokuthi kanti kwenzekayo kwezi ziganeko zinezixholo-xholo. Umqulunqi wale nkqubo apha Ekhaya Jikelele uPatience Dlamini usiqulunqelele ngxelo.
Pens down umbuthano ohlelwa ngabafundi wokubungaza ukuphela kwezivinyo zokuphela konyaka. Abantu abasebasha bahlangana ngeenkathi zantambama ukuze bajuxuze emibuthanweni exokozelayo. Okukhathaza abazali nohulumeni yilokho kwenzeka kule micimbi njengoba intsha inomkhuba wokudabula imfaniswano yesikolo, ukucwila ophuzweni oludakayo, ukusetshenziswa kabi kwezidakamizwa, futhi kubeke abantu abasebasha besifazane engcupheni yokudlwengulwa noma ukubulawa imbala. Lokho kudala ubuhlungu benhliziyo ebazalini. Kanti nongqongqoshe bezemfundo unkosikazi Enje Muthihe useyigxekile kabukhali lembuthano eyalolu hlobo. Ngakolunye uhlangothi imatric dance iwumcimbi wokubungaza ukuphela kohambo lwemfundo yamabanga aphakeme lomuntu omusha. Kulo mcimbi abafundi bakamatekuletsheni bahlanganyela kanye nabangani babo, kanti ke nabazali nabo bayingxenye lo mcimbi. Singashiyi ngemuva othisha babo, isigungu esilawula isikole kanye nabaphathi besifunda. Ukusabela kuleli khwelo likahulumeni lokuthi kulwise imicimbi yama-Pens down, iDeepdale Secondary ivalelisane nabafundi bakamatekuletsheni ngokubambisana nezinhlaka ezihlukene zalesi sikole. Ebafundini baseDeepdale obuningi babo baphuma emakhaya ahlwempu, imatric dance iwumqomelo ekupheleni kohambo lwesikolo samabanga aphezulu lapho abafundi bekhuthazwa khona. Ukulungiselela lolu suku ke abafundi benza konke okusemandleni uqinisekisa ukuthi babukeka bebahle kakhulu, kube sengathi bawosaziwayo. Balungisa izinwele zabo, bagcobe izimonyo, bakhethe ingubo enhle kakhulu ehambelana nezicathulo, bakhethe umngani weqophelo kanye nonyanyavu olufanele ukuthwala inkosana nenkosazana ngalolu suku olubalekile. Kulo mcimbi ke kwethulwa izinkulumo ezikhuthazayo ezivela kubantu abadala kanye nakontanga babo. Uthisha nhloko waseDeepdale Secondary uthi lena indlela yesikolo yokubonga abafundi ngokubekezelela uhambo asebelohambile kuze kube manje.
These deserve more. They were coming 6:45 every day, Monday to Monday. These kids were knocking off at 5 o'clock every day. These learners were also cross-nighting with me and the teachers. These kids were also attending SIP Saturday and Sunday. These kids were also going to the camps. Therefore, you know, to put them in a cage, to put them in a prison, but for the good purpose, we said, now let us take them out and be together and celebrate and enjoy as a strong SBST committee. SBST committee is the school-based support team in which they make sure that they talk with the girl learners. And I am telling you, we constantly have parents meeting whereby we are encouraging parents to say, parents, please can you do the good parenting to your kids. And my parents are supporting us as a school. And I'm telling you, even this year, we have never had a single child, falling pregnant.
Usihlalo wesigungu esilawula isikole SGB uDavid Makhado uthi bona njengesigungu baqinisekisa ukuthi imigomo yesikole iyasebenza einganeni zabo.
We have our own code of conduct. And enye into esitshela abazali ukuthi abantwana they've got 3 lives abayiphilayo. Kunempilo abayiphilayo ekhaya, kunempilo abayiphilayo estradini, kunempilo abayiphilayo esikoleni. But we emphasize ukuthi impilo eimportant kakhulu ile abayiphilayo esikoleni because it's their future. Because if singabayekela nje bayiphilele nje, uyabona kunabanye abazali sometimes they don't understand ukuthi bane only 3 hours nabantwana. Thina we have almost 8 hours nabantwana. Siyabazi labantwana in and out. Even if abanye sibaza amagama but siyabazi.
Umgcini mafa wesigungu esilawula isikole uConstance Ramashidi uthi zincane kakhulu izenzo zobuqhwaga kulesi sikole njengoba lokho kuyinto ethathwa ngokungathisina.
I-bullying, sinama police bullying ukuthi ibullying ayikho right, because sometimes ibullying is not ukuthi umuntu uzokushaya rogensen. Ibullying nanoma ukhuluma it's a bullying. So umntwana makabhully umntwana, we call both of them, sibanikeza amalethe ukuthi they come certain day or maybe Tuesday nama parents ukuthi izosolve le ndaba le ukuthi ingaze iye further, because uma singayisolve bayithi babahlangana estradeni ukuthi bayalimaza bayagwazana.
Kanti ke umongameli wabafundi kulesi sikole uthi umbuthano oxokozelayo wama-Penstown abaweseki. Kunalokho babambisene nabazali uqinisekisa ukuthi ingane ziphindela emakhaya ziphephile.
Don't think anything like that is going to happen, ma'am, because I'm surrounded by mature and responsible learners, fellow learners, ma'am, and I believe that they are capable of taking care of themselves and doing responsible stuff. It's not always just about having fun. It's about doing things the right way, like following what your principal says, because they know the consequences of or they know the occurrences that occur when wrong stuff is being done.
Uya ngokathisha osekomidini elibhekele ezokuzijabulisa uthisha Zolelwa Maxakana. Uthi ukulungiselela kusengaphambili kubalulekile.
Sisiqale ekuqaleni konyaka xa siprepare lapha, but it also took us 2 months ukuthi si make sure that everything is organized and then it is coordinated with the support of the principal, because we have to approach a lot of people asking for sponsors, asking also the members of our school teachers ukuthi sicela family members zabo ne friends ukuthi si donate for abantwana bethu. We also gonna be part of this after part to make sure ukuthi abantwana bethu ba safe, because asifuni into ezokwenzeka erongo, asifuna abantwana bethu ukuthi basele and then benze izinto that are unacceptable, ikwenye behavior that will cost us and also yenza abazali bangasithembi ngabantwana babo. Abantwana bethu siyaba encourage ukuthi ukwenza i-Penstown it can cause a lot of problems ebomini babo, like mubana usele phayana ungadibana nomnye umuntu mhlawumbe basithi una anger akuhlabe endaweni ezirongo, so they need to know ukuthi alcohol is not something that they should entertain themselves ngayo. Fanele bayazi ukuthi they can sit at home ba enjoy and then babulele ukuthi unyaka uphelile begqibele, they still need to go to varsity next year, so kufuneka bafike unyaka omtsha babe bese right besaphilile. So in order for them to be safe siyaba encourage ukuthi mabangayenzi i-Penstown.
Umphathi wesifunda iJohannesburg West Umuzi Sibisi uyakufakazela ukuthi inkinga yomcimbi wama-Penstown yincane kakhulu eJohannesburg West ngoba abafundi bahlonyiswa ngolwazi ekuqaleni konyaka. Uthi kungumsebenzi wabo njengehhovisi ukusekela othisha nhloko, kanti okubalulekena kakhulu ukubambisana.
The problem of Penstown is not that big. Our learners are told from the first term when it starts. They get orientated, especially before even the school academic year resume. They are taken through the orientation. They are told about the discipline and how, particularly the grade 12, as a learner, you should actually behave. And they are told the respect, responsibilities, and I think that works. That works well for our learners. Our job, perhaps as a district and as a circuit manager, is to make the principal's job easy, is to support the principal.
uJessica ke nowaziwa ngabalandeli bakhe ngelika Jessica LM kumculi nombhali wengoma ozalelwe eRandfontein eGauteng. uJessica ke waqala uhambo lwakhe kwishishini lomculo neminyaka nje esibhozo, kwaye ke ukuzawuthi ngoku sele sebenzisane nemvumi ezidumileyo. Singabalula kaloku oDJ Maphorisa, Kabza the Small, Amos Shili, ukubala ke ezimbalwa. Simvile ke mbukeli esinika uncuthu mazanga lomculo ngoku lixesha lokuba sive banzi ngaye. Ulapha ke uJessica. Jessica, masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni.
Hi mama, thank you. Unjani?
Ndiyaphila enkosi, njani wena?
Ndiyaphila, ixoxa sami zateka but.
Yaphila ngxaki kusekhaya apha ufika uyilonto uyiyo sizakwamkela unjalo. Thank you so much ngokuba usinandise apha ekhaya Jikelele. Yazi ikhaya ngoku lifudumele kunala that's a thing. Yes. Ngaphambi kokuba sifumane banzi ngomculo wakho kho sinabisele ngubani uJessica?
Can I speak English?
Yes.
Jessica is a singer-songwriter. I come from Randfontein, born and raised in Randfontein, a small town called Dukomzres. Khulise ngumakhulu. prayer warrior girl. I'm a singer-songwriter. I love music, absolutely love music. I love the entertainment sector, and that's what I do. That's my daily brain.
Wow, and uyatsho into yobana ukhulele eRandfontein, ukhuliswa ngumakhulu wakho, and I mean ngiyaphawuleka into yokubana uqale umncinane into yokubana uzibandakanye nomculo. I want to understand into yokubana ukhulele eRandfontein noba mhlambe ukhuliswe ngumakhulu wakho. What influence did that have in your passion for music?
I mean, it really helped me do things from the heart. Makhulu, if there's one thing that she really taught me was that if you're going to do anything for anyone, do it from your heart and from the kindness of your heart. So every time I write a song, every time I deliver music, it always comes from that. But I'm not doing this just for fame and likes on Instagram. I'm doing this because someone out there needs a message from me, and my voice needs to do that. So if there's one thing I really took from Umakulu, whatever you do, do it from the bottom of your heart and mean it when you do it. And that's what you find in my music. I hope that's what people find in my music.
Yeah, and we must say that your passion paid off because you got to collaborate with the artist Ezinkulu or DJ Maporisa or Kabza the Small. And I believe in Mhlambe entertainment industry, the minute you collaborate with the artist Ezinkulu, Lando ibanendo teta kuwe, it's like, okay, I have arrived. Was it the same for you?
Not necessarily that okay, maybe let me not be modest. Yes, the I have arrived part, but at the same time, it's the sort of thing you're going to say, okay, so hard work does pay off. You know, consistency does pay off. Paying attention to your gift and your craft and giving it what it deserves, it does pay off because now you focus on that and you give it the amount of respect and the honor and the energy and the time and the enthusiasm, and it puts you in rooms you've never imagined, you know. So yeah, it's a good thing. I'm not going anywhere.
And ndifuna uqonda into yobana uba uqale uneminyaka emincinci siyaqonda into yobana kukhona amajingi qhiwu kule industry. It's not a walk in the park. Uba ungene umncinci kuthi qwenge amehlo kube khona izinto ozibonayo, you get to work with big artists. So ijourney yakho yenza nje ungathi mhlambe what are sort of values ongathi okay they kept you grounded kuyo le industry?
Understanding the goal. Knowing what the goal is. The goal was not to come here and then be a 2-minute noodle and be out. No, the goal is to come, change lives and be consistent in that and see how else I can grow myself and at the same time grow a little girl that is looking up to a Jessica LM, you know. So yes, there are ups and downs, but am I going to give up because I just fell? No, I'm going to get up and dust myself off and I'm going to continue the journey, you know. So it's not
and
about...
And with that, uvele wavuka wazivutulula sakubona phesheya.
Jonga.
I mean, that's big. How was everything?
I ended up in the United States of America. With a company called, well, it's not a company, it was an agency called IMTA, International Model and Talent Academy. So I was modeling, singing, dancing, doing the whole shebang. All round. And then I actually won an all-expenses paid trip to New York to represent South Africa in singing, modeling, and all of those things. That's how I ended up that side. But that's not the only reason why I'm going to keep going. Because I'm going to work my way there. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Jessica LM_SA.
Jonga ndichaza indaba ngoku nababukeli bachaza indaba because umculo wakho uncamlisa inhliziyo.
Thank you so much.
Jessica, iqonga lelakho yenza udume ngazo.
Enkosi.
uyekoli uyofuna umsebenzi kanti ungaziyazi uma uyofuna umsebenzi angemayipeli phela amazinga endoda udale uyekoli uyofuna umsebenzi dale uyekoli uyofuna umsebenzi angemayipeli phela amazinga endoda
Sandwa sam Twali perfume tuwa Gege ngikuphoxe Gege ngikuphoxe Inga zethu zoshabalala zonke Njengamasolo Ngizosebenzela wena nabantwana bethu Ululeka sithandwa sami Twali perfume tuwa